Hi, this is David from Nokia Revolution, and I'm here today to teach you how to connect a wireless controller to your Nokia smartphone. So in my case, I'm using my Nokia 6 as an example. So let's get started. So first, just unlock the device and go to Bluetooth settings. And let's turn on the Bluetooth. There. So it's turned on now. After that, get your wireless controller. Now take note, it depends on whatever wireless controller you're using. Different wireless controllers requires different key combinations to turn on the Bluetooth. So in my case, I'm using the iPega 9021, which you can get online and it's very affordable. So let's turn on the device. Okay, let's turn on. And to turn on the Bluetooth on this iPega 9021, you need to press both home and cross button at the same time. So there. The light is flashing. It means that the controller is searching for devices. So let's get our Nokia 6 again and add a new device. Yeah. Let's wait. It might take a bit of waiting, but there. The PG9021, that's the controller. So let's click and pair the device. And there you go. The device is connected. So once both of your devices are connected already, you can see that the flashing lights are now staying put. So that means both of them are connected. So now you can play games using your wireless controller. And we're done.